Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to prevent your GoPro Lit Hero from overheating. If you'd like to prevent your camera from overheating, you will need to actually, there's only one way of doing that, and it's not the most helpful way, but I think that it is not the worst way. So let's try to enable the camera and we'll see. I'll show you what you can do here. So I think now the camera will be on. Yeah. And now in the video, because you can actually record normal videos in slow-mo video, right? But that uses way more power and causes the camera to overheat because it records in 60 frames per second, which of course is a better refresh rate. But if you're not planning on slowing down the video, or the video isn't like super extra dynamic, then I would tell you to record in the video mode. It reduces the frame rate to 30 FPS, which is just fine if you aren't doing slowdowns. And then also, if you'd like to prevent the camera from overheating for longer recordings, you can tap on video here, then select the 1080p resolution. It's going to have a little lower resolution, of course, but I think that it's still good. 1080p is still fine, and it will save the battery, causing also your videos to take less space on the SD card, because you can see now it tells me that I have over 11 hours of recording. If I set it to 4K, I have just 4 hours and 48 minutes of recording on my 128 gigabyte SD card. So that is also pretty important to know, and it saves your battery. It uses less power, so not only saves battery but also doesn't cause your camera to overheat that much. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.